How to fix the MacBook battery drain. If your MacBook is draining battery really fast, this is the video you want to look at. As you can see, I may be facing the same issue. The first thing what you want to check is which application is actually draining your battery. For that, I would suggest that you go to activity monitor. To go to activity monitor, you can press command plus space, type in activity monitor, and then hit enter. After that, on the top you can see we have multiple tabs. Go to the energy tab, and over here you can see which application was draining your battery. In my case, I have the browser and the Spotify application that had been draining my battery. So this is what, 88%. So you can see under 12-hour power, this is at 88.11. So it is a large amount of battery that had been consumed with the Brave browser. So because it was running in the background, probably updating stuff, and that is how you can check out which application has been draining your battery. Then you want to make sure that the applications stop turning on when you restart your Mac. So what do I mean by that? Some applications will automatically start when you open your Mac or restart your Mac. So they are just going to take up your battery in the background. To fix it, go to settings. In general, you have login items and extensions. Click on it. You can see Adobe Acrobat is by default open at login, and I really don't need it open at login, so I'm just going to select it, press minus over here, and that is about it. Secondly, make sure background app activity is turned off for whatever application that you don't really need in the background. Again, I don't need the Acrobat reader running in the background all the time. I'm just going to turn it off. For that, put in the admin user and password if it asks for it, and then you can see it has been turned off. Make sure that you go through all these applications so that you are not draining battery unnecessarily, and most importantly, unknowingly. Then we have screen brightness. If you like to run your screen on full brightness all the time, it obviously is going to eat into your battery life. And you can see my brightness is somewhere in the middle. If I turn it all the way up, it is going to obviously consume a lot more battery because, well, it needs more battery. I can just make sure that it goes to the middle, and I can also make sure that auto brightness is turned on. To do that, go to display settings and then make sure that automatically adjust brightness is turned on. So if you're in a brighter environment, the screen is automatically going to become brighter. If you go in a darker environment, it will become darker, and that is where you save battery life. Last but not the least, close applications that you're not using. You can see I have a lot of applications running over here, and realistically I'm only using my browser. The notes application is open just because I opened it a long time ago. Then we have Spotify that I opened a long time ago. I'm just going to hit quit on it. Activity monitor, I don't really need it. I'm going to hit quit. And you want to make sure that you're not unnecessarily running applications in the background because it will drain your battery. Hopefully these few simple fixes help you out. If you need more help, please let me know in the comments. I'll be happy to help. See you in the next video.